Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our SQL Onion tutorial. Today, we'll dive deep into combining data from multiple tables using the powerful onion operator. Let's start with the syntax. Onion is used to combine the result of two or more select statements. Here how it looks in SQL. Select city from customers. Onion select city from suppliers. This onion syntax will retrieve the city in customers table and suppliers table. This will retrieve distinct values. It means that there's no duplicate values. Each select statement can have different columns, but the number of columns and their data types must match. The syntax shown has two columns. The column must also be in order. If the columns are not in order, the data will be a mess. For the syntax to retrieve all data or with duplicate values, add all after onion. That wraps up our tutorial on SQL Onion. You've learned how to combine data from multiple tables, remove duplicates, and create more complex queries. Keep practicing and experimenting with Onion in your own projects. Thank you for watching!